Because of how we have to be so closely aligned with our client, we really have to understand their business, what their pain points are, and how we can bring creative solutions to solve those problems.
So Framework is an easy to use project management tool that allows project managers to manage their projects more efficiently.
Regions is such a large organization, and I think something that seems small to Regions is really big to maybe a smaller business. So it gives them the exposure, it gives them the experience of actually doing it and see what all it takes to really do it, and that really allows them to start growing their business.
They've taken literally an idea I had, and James grabbed it, shepherded the process. Jalen came in, they began to tag team it, and it's been pretty amazing to watch.